nakaka-proud na sinusuportahan mo rin yung gawang local. Bye, 5 na. Bye, 5 na.
So we're excited to let all of you try this.
3, 2, 1, go!
Thank you, Kultura Crawl. Welcome to the jungle.
Welcome to the jungle.
Welcome to the jungle!
Welcome to the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Nandito tayo ngayon sa episode 3 ng ating Come Conking Inside. And we're here to show you the Kultura Crawl experience.
What a world that we live in. Got my hands to the ceiling. We've been moving so fast. Did you know a year passed? While I'm taking a piss and I've been feeling myself. Man, I'm doing too well. So good, don't know difference. But the only thing stuck with me is my own smile and the air that I'm breathing. Just the way that I think, yeah.
Plain, ma'am. Baka gusto niyo po i-try. Ito talaga siya, ma'am, sa loob. Malalaki siya. Ito, ma'am. Try niyo po. Yan po yung plain. Plain flavor po yun. Plain na plain nga. Plain na plain.
Bye, 5 na. Bye, 5 na.
Yung original. Yung mix ba yan? Yes, ma'am. Tikman mo ulit, ma'am.
May salted egg na ba?
Wala pa.
Wala pa, ma'am.
Ayun. Sinigang, meron ako.
Wala, ma'am.
Premium din yun.
Hindi po.
Ayun.
Try nyo na po yung sinigang.
Yes, sir. Bumili na
One
siya.
of the best.
Magpapapicture na lang siya.
Ay, picture tayo. Okay.
Ayan, sige. Yun.
Ganda ng ano nyo Casing nyo
So fictional. 이런 맘을 가진 난 delusional. Society says I'm deranged to know. All I can think of.
So we started way back 2019 with the idea of changing local snacks into better, healthy snacking. So we're excited to let all of you try this. It's very crispy, it's vegan, and of course you can buy it here at all Kultura stores.
And how many years have you been in business?
We've been in business for 6 years. Little did we know that it would click, that people would try it and love it.
What is your best seller?
The best seller would be our original flavor. What's good about the brand is before we started, there wasn't a lot of people buying kangkong, meaning there's no demand of kangkong. Isang simpleng backyard vegetable, nagawa natin pera, at ngayon we export it to more than 10 countries already. Hanggang kangkong.
So, what are you doing right now?
Paunahan lang kayo. Sinong manalo, maraming uuwing prizes.
So we need 2 volunteers.
The first volunteer is about one more. Ang mangyayari lang is magpapaunahan kayo maglagay ng mga pack sa loob ng box.
Yeah, so 24 packs each.
Yeah, so parang ganito lang.
3, 2, 1, go!
Magkaiba sila sa
Ito yung isa. That's good. Lalabas ang sila.
This is
Thank you, Kultura Crawl. Sobrang daming tao dito ngayon. Sobrang nakaka-excite din magbenta. Yeah.
shopping bag.
You've tried it before na?
Yeah, I did. Thank you.
Medyo nakakakilig yun lang.
May asim factor.
Yeah.
Kinukuha na siya na liwanag.
Maybe I'm an optimist. Call me crazy, I'm just insane with a tiny twist. I got your time, your killer glance, go and take a picture. And that romance, more touchy ace, so catch my drift. I'm an optimist.
Coffee time!
Ano to? Ano to?
Yun na ba? Ay, wala pa ba?
This is our second day in Kultura Crawl, Green Hills. Let's go!
All in one na yan, ma'am. Okay po, try nyo. Sinigang parang sour.
149 po yung classic flavor natin. Si salted egg po, 179 yung premium flavor natin. One sinigang, one original, one spicy.
You're better day 난 그냥 번지에서 money game 매매했던 것들만 해도 pay 챙겼네.
Pre-taste ma'am, try niyo po yung product namin. Day 3 na namin dito ngayon sa Kultura Crawl. Marami kaming mga pre-taste na pwede niyong pagpilian.
Favorite yung flavor natin?
Salted egg.
Wow!
Salted egg and barbecue. Pangalawa ko sinigang na ngayon.
Medyo salty, no?
Opo ma'am. Pero meron kami namang plain ma'am kung ayaw niyo ng maalat. Pampawala ng kaba ma'am. Ito ma'am, salted egg try niyo po ma'am. Opo ma'am. May sinigang din po kami ma'am.
Patay ako sinigang.
Yes, sige po. Balik ang Kongking original yan, ma'am. Sinigang.
Huh?
Meron talaga.
Iba eh. Sarap yung sinigang.
Yes. Opo.
love it. First time ko rin umattend ng event ng Kultura Crawl. And ako, very Filipino culture advocate talaga ako kasi sobrang interesting sa akin nung nakagawayan natin as Filipinos na it's very unique kasi syempre sariling atin to.
Natutunan ko ngayon, makipag-socialize ka sa mga tao. Kasi kada may dumadating, yung na-encounter mo na tao, iba-iba eh. Iba-iba yung
Personality.
yung personality nila. So, merong pupunta na okay, merong pupunta na hindi. Kailangan mo makisama.
You represent your company, you represent your brand. So, nakaka-proud na pinupush mo rin or sinusuportahan mo rin yung gawang local nga. Na inintroduce mo siya sa ibang tao. Ang masaya din sa gantong event, sobrang naintriga sila sa sinigang, guys. So, syempre, sinong mag-aakala na pwede palang gawing flavor yung sinigang tapos ilalagay siya sa chips.
Maraming salamat sa panonood ng aming vlog at naway patuloy niyong tangkilikin ang aming product na Kangkong King. Like, follow, and subscribe sa aming mga social media accounts, Kangkong King PH. See you on our next Kangkong venture. Bye!
Ang bestseller namin is sinigang and salted egg.
Ayan si Miss Ann, siya. Socialization is sumasama sa vlog.
See you on our next Kangkong venture.